I remember watching him in the youth teams. We all did. And then he started training with us. I remember his first game. I was lucky enough to give the assist for his first ever goal. So he's a great friend. And it's lovely to see him giving so much joy to people who love football.
But I think the whole team immediately realised that this 16-year-old kid was going to be the best player in the world. Because Leo was already able to do great things. He had all the tricks. But his talent is not just his dribbling. It's not just his skills and his speed on the ball. But he also has goals in him. He's also a winner. And he enjoys himself playing football.
Messi takes everybody up. Messi has got it! 19 years of age. He gets a hat-trick. You can't write a script like this. Oh, brilliant skill from Messi. Brilliant from Messi. Oh, what a goal that is! Have you seen a better goal than that anywhere? I very much doubt it.
He does things that nobody has ever seen before. He does things that nobody understands how he produces them. He does them consistently. Just when you think he worked out his genius, he'll then do something that's completely different. For me, Messi has been a gift from the football universe. He's just such a phenomenal talent. A player that not only beats people, mesmerises them, produces magical moments, scores a multitude of goals. He's also nice to play. He gets kicked, he gets hacked, he gets up. He never dies. He doesn't cheat. He's just a brilliant example that for footballers everywhere, if one copy hit, the game would be much better. You see one guy that it's a gift. Like, it's what he does, it's like, it's Messi. It's him! Who is the best player in the world? Stunning! Just stunning! How much longer can this guy keep improving? Here's Messi. A reason to train for wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. How good is he? Best player in the world.
Oh, magical Messi! He is something else. Messi! It's called an England. It's a Madrid.
Who's the best player in the world?
Lionel Messi.
Who's the best player of all time?
Lionel Messi.
Who's a more complete player than Messi? Messi is the best. But in everything. He doesn't just score goals. All the registers that a player has to have: work rate, combining, understanding the game. He's simply the best.
You know, the guys he's playing against now are all extremely athletic. They can all run like the wind. All the defenders today generally can run like the wind. He's making them look slow. He's making them look ponderous. He wrong foots them. He makes them look stupid at times.
Do you think he's the best ever?
Yes, I do.
He's the best player in the world by a distance.
Can you do anything to stop him as the opposing coach?
Yes, you can, but the difficulty with him is he's not always in the game, you know, but when he's in it, he's really dangerous. And his team gets in on the run with the ball, and once he's on the run with the ball, he's unstoppable. He's really good. Can change direction in such a very different.
He's very quick, with a technique that's out of this world. I think these are the qualities that have made the whole world fall in love with him.
It's not something that you say, he does this or does that, he's just incredible. Once he sets off, there's no stopping him.
Messi starts his move.